What if you could just press a button and it would go off and making money instantly? Yep, you heard that correctly, just click a button and earn 50 cents. You'll get another $1 if you press the button again. It sounds pretty cool, right? Now imagine how much money you could be making by simply pressing a few buttons on your phone or computer and having money without any skills or experience. This strategy is 100% free and available worldwide. Please pay close attention and watch until the end of this video, because I'm giving special tips that I will share with you throughout the video, because if you miss those tips you will not make any money. Now, the website that we will be using to make money online today is Pytera.com. Now, before we go to the website and try to figure things out on our own, I strongly advise you to watch the video because I explain a lot of things here, including how to sign up for free bonuses, how to make more money faster with step-by-step examples, and what mistakes you should avoid in order to cash out successfully. Now consider this, Pytera.com will pay you money for completing surveys. You can turn your time into money, and the payout is rather quick, as you may anticipate to receive a payout within your first day. There are no national restrictions, and anyone from any country can join right now. Of course, you can do it on your phone or on your computer, and that's exactly what I like about these websites. You can reach the minimum payout of $10, and you can cash out your money instantly and receive your payment within one day. They have an unlimited number of jobs that you can do every day. There's no limit to how much money you can earn per day, and if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll show you a secret trick to make even more money. As you can see, there are many different ways to make money on Pytera.com. You can sign up for different tasks, complete surveys, upload videos, and invite and refer friends to earn extra money. You have the ability to write articles. You can perform a lot of things on a single web page. So, at the time of recording this video, they have over 600,000 members, have done over 5 million tasks, and have sent out over 1 million payouts to people all over the world. This guy is from Sri Lanka, and he makes $30 a day through Pytera. Another one from India making $60 from Pytera, and they're so excited to share their experience. This is the payment proof that they actually receive people from different countries. As you can see here in Saudi Arabia, people are making money on this website over and over again. I could literally show you hundreds of payment proof, which means this is definitely working. This is definitely a good opportunity that anyone can start right now to start making money. If you want to sign up for a free account, just click on this blue button on top, create an account, and you could go onto this page to create a free account and start making money. You can join today and make 50% more money than other people by following these matters. You just have to put your name, username, email, password, and just click on. Now that you've successfully signed up for an account, you can start doing surveys, downloading applications, completing tasks, inviting friends, and uploading videos. You can do a lot of things to make money, and I'll show you how to do it right now. For example, once you log into your account, you can do surveys like these and earn 20 cents, 30 cents, 45 cents. There are a lot of surveys to choose from, and new surveys are added every day. Simply press the refresh button to see new surveys appear. Now, I know what you're thinking, surveys pay about 40 cents to 50 cents, which isn't a lot of money. But this is where the magic happens. I'm going to show you exactly how I make a lot more money on this website alone. I'll give you a live demonstration to show you exactly how to press buttons and start making money. Now, let me show you one example using this survey. Simply click on Take Surveys, then on this green button, and you'll be taken to this page, where you can see 50 cents. You can begin taking surveys right now by simply clicking on buttons. The truth is that you don't have to take any surveys seriously. All you have to do is click on this blue button, Start Survey, and they'll load up on these websites. Once they're loaded, you'll be asked questions, such as what is your gender? You can simply click on male or female. It doesn't matter because they don't care about your answer. Go down below and click the next button, the blue button right here. It's actually pretty hidden at the bottom of the website. Make sure you click the right button, and they'll reload the website and show you. As you can see here, scroll down to continue. You don't have to answer anything on this page. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Continue. The reason I like this website is that every button you click could earn you 50 cents. For example, we just answered 2 questions, so you have earned $1. To answer the next question, simply click on whatever. Click on the tab and scroll down to the next button. You can do this as many times as you want every day, as you can see from the questions here. Scroll down to the next button to answer more questions. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel, and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, I just scroll down to the bottom of this page and do the same thing. Simply click on the button, scroll down below, and click on Next. I mean, you can keep making money over and over again by clicking on the buttons, clicking on the next button, scrolling down below, and clicking on Continue. Of course, if you want to get even more money, you can repeat these surveys. They offer hundreds of surveys, and the best part about this website is that when you complete the first 10 surveys, you can unlock surveys that pay double, but that's a special extra tip that you won't find anywhere else. For example, instead of 50 cents every survey, you could receive $1, and if you do another 10 surveys, you could earn $10. You can continue to double the money for every 10 surveys you complete, as long as you follow the same procedure. You might be wondering why this website pays you money for merely clicking buttons. Is it for real? Is it functional? Or is it a scam? And the reason they offer you money to click the Continue button is because they want to display you advertisements on their website. Now, if you look closely, they have one ad right here, number 1, 2, 3, and they have 3 ads in total on this website. And if you accidentally click on them, for example, this one, if I click on this website, they will make money. That's why they try to put as many ads as possible on one single page, and they want you to keep browsing on the pages that keep on clicking. So basically that's the truth behind that, and I've never seen other people talking about it to explain to you. But basically, if you want to save time, make sure you always go down to the very bottom of the website and just click on Continue, and then you can repeat the same process over and over again. And sometimes they ask you random questions, just click on any one of the answers, write whatever, and just go down below and click on Next. And this is how it works. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.